how to export Airtable base. In this video, I'll show you how to export Airtable base. So before we get started, take note that Airtable doesn't allow full base export in one go, but you can export each table separately. So open the Airtable base that you want to export, and then once you're inside it, go ahead and export as CSV all of the tables that you have on your base. So to be able to do that, click on this green button at the top left, and then click on download as CSV, and then click on OK, and then do that with the other table as well. Now that will allow you to basically export your base. So make sure to do all of this on every table that you have on your base, and that is how you can basically export your table base. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.